I've said it a few times in the past. It's not that I'm not a breakfast guy. It's just if it's got to be quick. It's got to be quick and easy, right, CJ?
Yep.
It's got to be delicious.
Like eating in the morning.
I just don't want to take a ton of time as my day gets going. I don't want to take time to get my day started the right way. That's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is breakfast needs to be simple and delicious and quick. Let me show you how I like to do it. Good morning, girls. You guys got some eggs for me? So we've got 33 chickens. I'm a big fan of this beautiful little cinnamon queen. She's a purdy. Yeah, let's see what we got. If you've never had farm fresh eggs, they're absolutely amazing. You get lots of different colors. Just so cool. All right, let's go make some breakfast. That might be the most difficult part of this recipe. So I've got a few eggs. I think I only need 2. But you see this one? Dude, look how cool. Isn't that beautiful? That green, that dark green. I don't even know which chicken gives me that one, but it's cool, it's fine. So I've got my Blackstone at like medium low heat. We're gonna start with our cheese. Now I've got Feta cheese and Parmesan cheese. I kind of went into the fridge. I was like, what do I have in there? I started grabbing some stuff. Actually, I do want a touch of oil first. Just a little bit, not too much. We don't want this to be swimming. Cheese has a lot of fat in it already, but I want a little cheese skirt. Like I want some crispiness. Let's do enough for 2. That looks good. I'm gonna take the feta. We're gonna make a little sprinkle. Just kind of like a little circle-ish shape. I'll do 2 over here. I'm gonna do the same thing with a bit of, let's do a little bit more. A little bit of Parmesan. Now, both of these cheeses do have a good bit of saltiness, so you don't want to go overboard on your seasoning. Oh, it smells so good already. Parmesan has a really wonderful, nutty aroma. That looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to take my egg, we're going to crack it and let it fall right on top. So it's going to cook on top of the, whoa, hey, hold on. On top of the crispiness. Let's do this little green guy just because it's so beautiful. And if you've never had farm fresh eggs, you're missing out. Get a chicken or go to farmer's market. Either way. Come on now. Right on top. Beauty. I do want to hit that with just a touch of my SPG. Remember, don't go too hard. Our cheese has a bit of saltiness to it. Simple, easy peasy. And I'm going to grab 2 tortillas. We're going in real time, by the way. We have not slowed down. We have not stopped. Warm up that tortilla a little bit. If you want to, you can dome. And I do want to. I'm gonna dome those eggs. Just cook them over the top just a little bit. Once our tortilla gets toasted, we give it a flip. Just a little light toast, little flip. Then we're gonna bring it back, and I've got my holy guacamole, Avocado Verde, a little bit on the bottom. Gorgeous. If you want to, you can do a little squeeze of lime juice. You can do some garnish with some cilantro, some red chilies if you'd like to. But the idea of this dish is it has to be simple. Very, very simple. I mean, look at this taco. Look at the cheese, that crispy cheese. So money. If you are making breakfast, if it's one of those things where you're like, I don't have time, this one's a winner because it's so fast. If you want to, you can expose some of nature's sauce. You like when I say that, CJ?
Egg juice.
Oh, I don't like it when you say that. No, so what ends up happening is it took us minutes. I don't even know how long we are into this. 4 minutes? 5 minutes?
Maybe.
Tops, right? Breakfast should be quick, but it doesn't mean delicious doesn't have to be difficult. This is fantastic. We've got the crunch. We've got the egg.
Plus, dude, that looked beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm. The cheese still, oh, that's the egg. The cheese.
Ruin it with that feta, though.
No. The cheese still is crunchy, so we get some texture. This is one of those, whoa, that only took you a few minutes to make. So crazy good. And that holy guacamole is a great, the Verde, it's a great little shortcut. Pop it out of the fridge, go to town. So good. Oh dang, I don't even want to finish this video. I just want to finish this taco. Should I call this a taco? It's breakfast tortilla. Get yourself a dang case of wrong show. Thank you all so much for hanging out. One of the things we like to focus on this show is technique. It's not as much about the recipe. Do whatever you want with it. Oh, that heat's coming.
Oh,
that was a hot chili.
Red chili?
I'm down with that. Just use the technique. Use any kind of cheese that you want. Maybe build yourself a coop and start raising some farm fresh eggs. Farm fresh eggs. Yeah, I said that. I don't know why I said it like that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. This is Cook Eat Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. Use this one, adjust it, change it. I want to see what you guys have. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't. Click the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Watch all the other fun shows. Leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy. It's real hot. It's actually
Yeah.
teeth and lips, a little numbing of the tongue. It's a good one. See you guys in the next video.